Gaslighting. Gaslighting is a form of psychological manipulation in which an individual seeks to sow seeds of doubt in a targeted person or in members of a targeted group, making them question their own memory, perception, or sanity. This manipulation tactic is often employed in abusive relationships, workplace dynamics, or other interpersonal contexts. Examples of gaslighting. Imagine a situation where person A and person B are in a romantic relationship. Person A consistently belittles and criticizes person B, making them feel insecure. When confronted about their hurtful behavior, person A denies any wrongdoing, claiming that person B is overly sensitive or imagining things. They might say, "I never said that," or "You're just being paranoid, you must have misunderstood." Over time, person B begins to doubt their own judgment and memory, leading to increased control and manipulation by person A. It is essential to recognize gaslighting behavior and seek support if you or someone you know is experiencing it. Healthy relationships are built on trust, communication, and mutual respect, and gaslighting goes against these principles. What are the signs? Denying reality. Gaslighters often deny things they said or did, even when there is clear evidence. They may say, "I never said that," or "You're making things up." Minimizing. Gaslighters downplay the significance of your feelings or experiences, making you feel like your concerns are unimportant or exaggerated. Contradictory statements. Gaslighters make contradictory statements to confuse and disorient you. They may say one thing today and deny it tomorrow, causing confusion. Isolation. Gaslighters may isolate you from friends, family, or support systems, making you more dependent on them and reducing external perspectives. Silent treatment. Gaslighters may use the silent treatment as a form of punishment, leaving you anxious and uncertain about what you did wrong. False praise. Gaslighters may use occasional false praise to keep you off balance. This tactic is designed to confuse you and make you more compliant. Selective amnesia. Gaslighters claim they don't remember events, especially those that reflect poorly on them. This selective amnesia is a tactic to avoid accountability. Trivializing your feelings. Gaslighters may dismiss your feelings as irrational or overly dramatic. They invalidate your emotions, making it difficult for you to trust your own reactions. How to deal with gaslighting. Trust your instincts. If you feel like you're being manipulated, trust your instincts. Your feelings and perceptions are valid, and it's important not to dismiss them. Establish boundaries. Clearly define and communicate your boundaries. Let the gaslighter know what behavior is unacceptable and assertively enforce those boundaries. Seek support. Reach out to trusted friends, family, or colleagues for support. Share your experiences and feelings with those who can provide a supportive and objective perspective. Maintain social connections. Preserve and strengthen your social connections. Gaslighters often isolate their victims, so maintaining a support network is crucial for your mental health. Avoid engagement. Refrain from engaging in arguments or debates with the gaslighter. Gaslighters often thrive on conflict, and refusing to engage can disrupt their tactics. Limit contact. If possible, limit or eliminate contact with the gaslighter. Creating distance can provide relief and protect you from ongoing manipulation. Understand it's not your fault. Recognize that gaslighting is a manipulation tactic used by the gaslighter. It is not a reflection of your worth or capabilities. Acknowledge that you deserve to be treated with respect. Don't try to use the tactics on anyone. It's harmful and toxic. This video is just to aware you what gaslighting is. Do subscribe and like my channel if you like it, and there are such more content like this on my channel. Go watch them.